What's up guys, it's Bella and today I'm taking a video of my bird trying to bite me. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so what I'm going to do is first I'm going to put my finger through the hole and see if she'll bite me. Ah! She tried to. It doesn't hurt when she bites me, it just like kind of stings a little bit. Now I'm going to open this up. I should zoom that out. Okay. So now I'm gonna put my finger. She's going right for ow. My hand's in the way. And she goes right back to her food bowl. Ah! Come touch your food. Touch your food. One time she like bit me. Just not like pecked me. She bit me. She like is all over this food. She loves it. Got her fruit mix and some seeds in there. I don't know if you can see it. It's not really focusing. Well, tomorrow I have a spelling bee. I'm gonna die from anxiety. I'm gonna try to pet her now if she'll let me. Come on, Shooky. Ah! Ah! She's biting me like crazy. Ah! She squawked at me. Ah! I think she wants to be left alone. Open the gate for the first time in forever. Too often. Where'd you go? There. This is her cage. She has a little basketball thingy. She has a water bowl, which she's not been drinking from. She got some toys. She got a bird's wing. And my dad's home. Well, cool. I'm going to have to end the video. That's Shooky. Tuning out. Bye-bye.